If you've stumbled across coozyland.com while scrolling for trendy home gadgets, discounted tools, or eye-catching car accessories, you're definitely not alone. It's the kind of site that draws you in with big promises and low prices. But before you get too excited about scoring a deal, take a closer look. In this video, we explore whether coozyland.com is a legit store or just another cleverly disguised dropshipping trap. On the surface, it looks like a clean, Shopify-style site offering everything from hummingbird feeders and LED lights to portable grooming kits and dash cams. But once you dig deeper, the warning signs start stacking up. Many of the products feature labels like Made in USA, which are highly questionable given the pricing and design. Some even appear to be generic imports falsely advertised. Even more concerning, a number of buyers report never receiving their orders or dealing with extremely long delays. When trying to contact customer support, people are often met with vague, copy-paste replies that fail to resolve anything. Refunds and order cancellations? Nearly impossible to secure. We also ran reverse image searches on several product photos, only to find that many are lifted straight from stock photo sites or reused across other suspicious websites. All of this doesn't necessarily mean coozyland.com is a full-on scam, but it definitely operates in that gray area where customer satisfaction isn't a priority. If you're thinking about placing an order, this review might help you avoid becoming another frustrated shopper.